Start working from home. Best home business ideas for stay-at-home moms. Stay-at-home moms have a lot to handle, but they can still follow their hobby and passion by starting an online business. In this video I will discuss the following. Number 1. 7 best home business ideas for stay-at-home moms. Number 2. How to start working from home. Number 3. Pros and cons of working from home. So, if you are interested, please keep on watching and hit the like button. Thank you.
Do it! Just do it!
To start working from home, these are the 7 best home business ideas for stay-at-home moms. These are my personal choices. There are a lot more out there. It's your choice and decision to make. Number 1. Start a sari store and an online store. Be a reseller and wholesaler. Buy products in bulk and sell them individually online. You can also start by selling basic household needs, especially the basic essentials, custom print products or even your old stuff. Number 2. Sell handmade and homemade goods online and offline. Homemade meals and snacks, jewelry, arts, candles, succulent, bonsai plants, organic cleaning materials. Number 3. Freelancing with your professional services on an hourly basis. Transcriptionist, marketing, designing, website development, bookkeeper, proofreader, blogging, vlogging, social media influencer, social media manager. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is easy and cheap to start, but it takes dedication and a long-term vision to be successful. Steps on how to do affiliate marketing. Number 1. Find and join an affiliate program. Number 2. Choose which offers to promote. Number 3. Obtain a unique affiliate link for each offer. Number 4. Share those links on your blog, social media platforms, or website. Number 5. Collect a commission anytime someone uses your links to make a purchase. Number 5. Best home business ideas for stay-at-home moms. Home-based hobby classes and digital products, including music, courses, and templates. Number 6. Start a dropshipping store of products you're passionate. Your dropshipping supplier can be local or overseas, but you need to ensure you find a supplier you can trust to deliver a consistently great customer experience after the sale. Always do your due diligence or you might put your business reputation at risk. Number 7. Offer online consultation in your area of expertise. You can tutor students on their online classes. A photographer, for example, can service a local event while selling prints online through their social media account, Instagram, and websites that are selling photos and videos. Number 2. How to start working from home. When you start working from home, it takes time to get used to your new schedule. Thus, the following can help you to start. Number 1. Have a dedicated workspace. Number 2. Plan your day. Limit the number of times you check email, your phone, and social media. Number 3. Learn to improve your computer and communication skills. And, number 4. Set office hours for yourself. Pros and cons of start working from home, best home business ideas for stay-at-home moms. Starting or buying a home-based business is not for everyone. It is crucial to weigh all the pros and cons before you take on this challenge. Remember, having a strong financial support system can help make starting your own business a smoother process. Pros, advantages. You get to be your own boss. Your career and family life will be more balanced. You can work in your pajamas. Cons, disadvantages. You also get to be the chief marketer, accountant, tech support and marketing. There will be many distractions. You will not have a guaranteed income. Hope you learned something from these 7 best home business ideas for stay-at-home moms that could help you start for your financial problem. These are my personal choices and some of these are my personal business too. There are a lot more out there. It's your choice and decision to make. If you have any suggestions on the best home business ideas for stay-at-home moms that we could add on my list, then please don't hesitate to comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a like and click subscribe for more business tips videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye and see you in my next video. Always remember, when there's a will, there is always a way.